Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 20th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies globally today. Please remember that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Since the 19th of November, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.26. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 0.32%. This equates to an average return of 0.16% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently moving within a horizontal trend, and further movements within this trend are anticipated. The 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately 1.94% over the upcoming 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 2.23% to positive 5.96%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 32.01% over the next year, with a possible return between 15.17% and 39.28%. This equates to a price range between $263.73 and $318.96 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple features the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for Apple stock after gaining 0.315%. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 20th of November, 2024, Apple stock increased by 0.315%, rising from $228.28 to $229. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to observe whether this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. During the previous trading session, the stock fluctuated by 1.79%, reaching a low of $225.89 and a high of $229.93. The price has appreciated in 6 out of the last 10 days and has increased by 2.82% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume decreased by 3 million shares on the last day, with a total of 30 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $6.91 billion. It is important to consider that a decline in volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning for potential changes in the forthcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $237.49, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price stands at 3.57%, or $8.49, below the 52-week high of $237.49, which is also the all-time peak for the stock. Apple is making headlines today as it seeks the dismissal of a United States Department of Justice antitrust lawsuit alleging it illegally dominates the smartphone market. This move could alleviate legal pressures and potentially stabilize investor confidence, impacting stock performance favorably in the short term if the case is dismissed. Additionally, Apple is urging Mac users to update their systems after vulnerabilities were exploited by hackers, emphasizing the company's ongoing commitment to security. While this is crucial for maintaining user trust, any negative perception could slightly affect stock sentiment. Market analysts have noted a tepid response to the iPhone 16th cycle, prompting a revision in Apple's stock price projections. Despite this underwhelming outlook, some analysts maintain a positive long-term view, suggesting resilience in Apple's overall market position. Warren Buffett's recent reduction in his Apple stake adds a layer of complexity to investor sentiment. Buffett has traditionally been seen as a bellwether for quality stocks, so his actions may lead to cautiousness among other investors, at least in the short term. Lastly, Apple's significant sales decline during China's recent Singles' Day event underscores the intensifying competition from local rivals like Huawei, which could have longer-term implications for market share and revenue growth in that critical region. Overall, these developments present a mixed picture for Apple, with immediate legal battles and competitive pressures potentially weighing on the stock. Yet a foundation for recovery remains supported by strong analyst backing and ongoing strategic investments. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 19th of November, 2024, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Apple Inc. a grade of underweight, accompanied by a hold action. On Friday, the 1st of November, 2024, Maxim Group provided Apple Inc. with a grade of hold, also indicating a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, Barclays rated Apple Inc. as underweight with a corresponding hold action. On the same day, Piper Sandler issued a grade of neutral for Apple Inc., recommending a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, UBS also rated Apple Inc. as neutral with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts award the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The chart today shows mostly positive signals. The Apple stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook. However, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these averages, as the long-term average is above the short-term average. On any downward corrections, support is expected at $226.84 and $228.46. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, November 4th, 2024, and the stock has since risen by 3.15%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal arising from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume declined during the last trading day, even as prices rose, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, close attention should be paid to this stock. On Wednesday, September 18, 2024, the stock achieved a golden star signal in the short-term chart. This signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line align in a rare combination. Such occurrences are infrequent and are often followed by significant and sustained gains for the stock in question. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. The pivots registered a buy signal 13 days ago. The Bollinger Bands also indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. The short-term moving average has shown a sell signal 5 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average provided a buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 14 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average displayed a sell signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 129 days ago. If you wish to explore more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $228.20, and this level may hold a buying opportunity, as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. In general, the stock tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low in this stock. During the last day, the stock moved $4.04 between high and low, or 1.79%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 1.65%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 6th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.36. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $229.79. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple faces its first support level at $228.20. Should this support level hold, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's explore some recent insider trades. On the 15th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson executed an insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson again executed an insider sale of 75,000 shares of common stock. On the 19th of November, 2024, Arthur D. Levinson conducted an insider sale of 50,000 shares of common stock. On the 18th of November, 2024, Chris Kondo executed an insider sale of 4,130 shares of common stock. On the 5th of November, 2024, Catherine L. Adams conducted an insider sale of 8,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 28.826. In total, insiders purchased 2,065,334 shares and sold 3,807,852 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $217.83, reflecting a decrease of 4.88%. This stock experiences very low daily fluctuations, which translates to a minimal level of risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom identified 12 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators are looking positive, suggesting that the current level might present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Apple stock to perform well in the near term. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 21st of November, we anticipate Apple to open down approximately 72 cents and begin trading at $228.27. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.